Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the Meta Quest 2. We'll talk about all the features, the pros and the cons, and some of my favorite just other aspects about it. So they've made some improvements to the 2. Some of my favorite aspects are that there's a spot for your thumbs now on the controller. They definitely adjusted the controller. Also the sound, you're pretty much essentially getting surround sound. It's 360. We can talk about how real the experience feels all day. And sometimes people are concerned about games. There are hundreds of games available and some of them are even free. So those are definitely my highlights about the experience. There's only one con in my opinion, and that's the battery life. It only lasts 2 to 3 hours. And sometimes you're gonna want more gameplay. Sometimes people say 2 to 3 hours is enough, you'll get motion sickness, but I wanna stretch it more. Like what if you wanna go I don't know, after gaming, you wanna check out a live show with a friend or you wanna go into a chat room. I just think the battery life can be a little bit more expansive. 2 other things I absolutely have to highlight is the RAM. They've increased the RAM on this, so it's not gonna slow down while you're playing, and the resolution is higher than 1080. So all those experiences while you're playing online, or even if you're checking out a live game, it's gonna feel like you're there. So those are 2 highlights I absolutely had to touch on. One of the new features in this that they added was this gray camera mode that you can establish your playing area. So this definitely keeps you safe while you're playing and also gives you a visualization of the space before you go into game mode. All right, I need to talk about the NBA game. I saw one of these. It was amazing. I literally felt like I was courtside. And with the sound, you can hear the audience, you can hear the players. It's like a complete experience. I highly recommend it. And you can go watch a game with a friend of yours who's in a different state or a different country. So you can bond and connect and also just enjoy a live event that you love. Okay, so in short, I'm still gonna recommend the Meta 2. I think it's amazing. Again, my only con is the battery life, which as different renditions come out, they're definitely gonna improve that, but still, take a little break. Come back to it, it's gonna be there for you. So overall, just the sound experience, the improvements to the RAM, the video quality, and the adjustments on the controls, definitely gonna recommend the Meta 2.